Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys go check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can get one at a low cost and get it fast and free shipping if you check out now. And so they could ship this to you fast. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is staying home, staying safe. It is a weekend, so we got coming from Bissell. This is a SpotBot pet model. Alright? Every purchase saves pets. Hey, that's always good cause too. Oh, animal lives matter too. I just wish they weren't homeless. It would be all good to save the animals. There we go. So definitely check them out, guys. I believe every purchase you guys make, they donate a portion to the Bissell Pet Foundation. So really cool. Got the manual. We might need this, we might not. So we'll put this on the side. This would be a good Father's Day gift to give. Oh, look at this. Get a little bonus. A little starter upper. This is the Professional Spot Stain plus Oxy. Oh yeah. Alright, we got a brush right here. Ooh. I like the color. There's a front. There's a hole where you stick it in the holes. Now, here we go. I'm not sure what this thing does, but that's what we'll probably need the manual for. Hydro rinse. Never seen one of these. Does it squirt out the side, or I'm not sure. We'll figure that out though. Hopefully it's an easy peasy assembly. Like I said, if I could do it, you guys could do it. But if you have older folks at home, this might be a little more challenging, so you might want to set it up for them. Be a good person. Oh God. Alright, get out of there. Alright, here she is. Ooh, nice color. Garbage one. Oh man, missed. Gotta clean up my mess a little bit. So there's a SpotBot. Bissell. Not sure if it's newer. Just came out or what, but definitely check them out, guys. I have the links below. I'm gonna give it a test run. So I got some spots I gotta clean. Because I adopted a new dog, so boom. Look at this. Dog's still in training mode at my house right now, so this will definitely help. And I got the dog pads and everything, so he's learning. Oh, we got the hose right there. Push button. What do we push? Oh, push on top. Yeah, like I said, this is my first ever doing one of these. I did the carpet machines. Okay, this way. There we go. Oh, that was easy peasy. Alright. Moving on. There's a cord. That was in the way. Alright, this is a long hose. Oh yeah. We got the cord right here, the power cord. We got the tank right here. That's probably where you put the water. Yeah. You can mix it. Formula. The boost. And water. So, should be easy one to fill. Remember to use only Bissell Compact Deep Cleaner Formula. Oh, see. There's a warning. Warning. Okay, so that's that. Really nice. We got the controls on top there. You guys can see it. And like I said, I'm going to be testing this out, so grab some popcorn. Let's watch this thing in action. Definitely excited for this one. Here we go. Said I think this was under $200, so this would be a nice like housewarming gift, birthday gift, or even a gift to yourself. Clean your home, your apartment, condo, probably even your car too. The back seats and stuff, in case you do like Ubers and Lyfts, once everything gets back to normal. Okay, right there, that's unplugged. Got boom, 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 long cord. We got this. I want to figure out what this does. Give me 1 second. I need to figure out hydro rinse. Where do we put it on? Because this is my first timer. Big timer now. Alright, so we got quick clean, deep clean, house tool, power, rinse, scrubbing, flex hose. Okay, we got that. Yeah, it's power, quick clean, deep clean, house tool, done. Alright. Gotta fill. This is where the wasteland goes. You can see right here it says full. That's when you need to empty this thing out. Hopefully my carpets are not too bad, but where do I stick that hydro rinse? Ah, cleaning with the hydro rinse tool. Right there. Okay, so whoa. This looks like some serious action gonna happen today. Definitely gonna be fun on this Saturday. Easy to pop off. Yep, see, it's got a push. Boom. Hydro rinse. We got the scrubber. And let's see what else we got in the bottom. Here's the bottom, what they look like. The brushes right here. Should be easy. Yeah, right there, there's a to replace them. Right in the middle, right in here. Got twisted, but it should be good to go. It's already pre-done, so we don't have to get into it unless it's time for cleaning. So you got a choice to use a hose for like carpets, for stairs, stuff like that. For upholstery, you could do. So we're gonna lock her in, lock it down. There we go. That's locked down. Okay, guys. So we got the core out of the way. Hey. All right, there we go. See, dun 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 dun. And then, like I said, this is for rugs and whatnot, upholsteries and all that good stuff. So we're gonna see, because I think you just put that where the big spot is, and it'll clean it. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, see, 6 is 3-in-1 stair tool. The stair tool. Scrub dub. Thanks for the grub. Bissell formula number 4. They only sent me. They only sent me 1 bottle. Unless I'm missing a second bottle. No, only 1 bottle. Oh well. I have to ride it out. I ain't buying none right now. So, okay. 34. Bissell Boost formula. Bissell formula. I think that's a boost. This is a booster we need. Stain removal. Oxy. I don't know. Spot unit. Tough stain tool is number 2. Number 6. Second, I don't know. Missing a few parts. We got the hydro rinse. Just looking it over really quick, guys, before I fill it up and everything. Can you remove the clean water solution tank by lifting it up? Alright, we did that. So we're going to lift this up, fill it up with water, and then add the formula. So that's easy. Twist it, cap it off. You can use a hose. Hold on, guys. We could do it. Push. 13 is a cleaning window. 14 is scrubbing brushes. 15 suction nozzles. Okay. Yeah, so you could use that just for this bottom, wherever like a big stain is, like a dog stain or like a drink stain. You're gonna put this over the spot and zap it a few times. Alright, we're gonna go to the kitchen, fill this water tank up. I'll be right back and we'll be doing something. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are at ground level. We're gonna do a deep clean. There it goes. See the water right in here. Oh yeah. There we go. It's pretty quiet. There's the water coming out. I'm starting now. Very deep clean. Alright, now it's going to clean it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. We're going to do the stairs in a second also. There we go. I think it shuts off once it's done with that spot. There he goes. Alright guys, we're going to... Whoop, maybe not. Gotta do a cycle, I guess. Scrubbing the carpet, so that's pretty cool. Got some dirt in there, as you see. See if it's done. Nope. Now it's gonna dry it. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's crazy. There it goes. Not sure how long this process takes, but shouldn't be that long. Oh, there's a hose too. And you can see the water shooting up. Kind of like the water park slide. Wow. Look at the water now. Definitely cleaning it now. It's just about done. Wow, look how much water it's clean. That is crazy. This is a pretty cool machine right here. And this is where you wrap it up, your cord. And we're going to go on the stairs in a second and see how the hose works. Alright. Just about done. Another lift. Bada boom. I think this is the final part. Alright guys, we're going to go on the stairs now. I'll be right back. Alrighty YouTubers, we are on the stairs. We got quick clean this time. We got there, house tool, water. There it goes. Oh yeah, she works. There you go. Sockets back up. There you go. There you go. Here's the green right there. Alright guys, you guys be safe. Have a great weekend. See you soon.